YouTube, what's going on? Kyle with ePoolSupply, back again today with another What's in the Box. Today we're going to switch it up and show you guys what comes in Pentair's leaf trap meant for suction side pool cleaners. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So today, again, we're going to go over Pentair's leaf trap. This is actually meant for any type of suction side pool cleaner that Pentair makes. So it will not work with any pressure side pool cleaners, including the 360 that actually uses the larger style hoses. This will not work for. So this is meant strictly for your suction side pool cleaner. So essentially what this is it's just an additional piece of equipment that you can actually put in line on your hose from your suction side or your skimmer, whichever one that you're using. You put it in line on your hose to help catch all that extra leaves and debris that come in through the cleaner. That way you're not having to empty baskets as often, because we all know that with a suction side pool cleaner, your basket does tend to fill up a lot faster. So this is one really easy way to eliminate having to pop the lid on your pump and empty out that basket, and it's just a lot easier to maintain using this. So let's cut this box open and just show you guys what comes inside. Let me grab my handy dandy knife. Give me one sec. All right, put this open. So because this does have such a large container, it definitely keeps the suction power going to your suction side pool cleaner, so without having to empty bags or your pump basket. So they actually put it in a nice little bag here, and it's pretty much everything that comes in the box. So really pretty straightforward. It's actually just these two pieces. You've got one inlet of your hose goes in on the top, and then your other bigger side of the hose just plugs right in here on the bottom. It can go in a variety of different places. Typically you want this to be sitting on top of the pool water. So wherever that extra hose is, especially if you have a deeper pool, you always want to make sure that it's in the deep end before you install this, and that way you're, attributing that extra length of hose. So you'll actually just plug this in straight in line, and obviously you may have to make some adjustments to your suction side, but really simple installation. It's just unplugging two hoses and plugging one end in here and one end on the bottom, and watch it do its trick. So it's actually got like a push lever kind of lock to hold it on, which makes it super easy to open to get to, and there's no twist, there's no threads, no anything like that, so you don't have to take the risk of it getting all ganked up. It literally just pulls right off. It's actually got an O-ring right in here around the inner lip so that you can get a good watertight seal when you use that latch here on top. And then essentially all you gotta do is just take out this basket, go clean it like you would on a normal one, and it literally just sits in there. There's no direction, there's to be honest, it's kind of dummy proof, which is really cool. So you just stick your blue lid back on and push this on to lock it. So pretty simple, but this will save you tons of time on cleaning your equipment. So definitely a high recommendation if you've got a suction side pool cleaner, especially if you're using brand name OEM Pentair. So definitely want to stick with that. They do sell other leaf traps, but staying with the OEM, just make sure that it will work with your cleaner. So that's pretty much it. It's the leaf trap made by Pentair. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.